Have you ever thought about how to make money and how to earn $100 per day, $100 per hour, $100 per minute? Okay, so this is something crazy thing, but in this video I will clearly define you how to make $100 per day, per hour, per minute. Okay, so I have a very simple idea. If you use that idea, you can easily do it. Okay, so I think you know what, affiliate marketing is a very best way to make $100 per day, $100 per hour, $100 per minute. But if you do not about a very specific strategy about affiliate marketing, so you never get this kind of goals from affiliate marketing. Okay, so in this video I will clearly define you how to start affiliate marketing and how to get your goals, and I have a specific affiliate program to get more commission, and you can easily join these affiliate programs. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I have a simple chart. You can easily understand affiliate marketing. First of all, our first step is you choose a product. First of all, you choose a product. Product means a services or product. It can be whatever you want. Okay, you can choose services or any product. Okay, then what happens, you find a product or services to promote. Okay, for example, you join Amazon Associates and choose a headphone. Okay, for example, you can join Amazon Associate or you choose a headphone. It's a product. Okay, then you promote this product on your social media platforms, on your in your friend circle. Okay, whatever you want, you have to promote. Then second step is get your link, your unique link. Okay, you get a unique affiliate link, whatever services or product you want to promote. For example, Amazon gives you a specific link for that headphone. Okay, like you choose a headphone to promote and Amazon gives you a specific link for that headphone. Okay, our third step is share the link. Okay, you share your unique link. Okay, you share the link with others. Okay, where in your Facebook account, Instagram account, and if you have a social media audience like YouTube, TikTok, you can also promote there. Okay, you post the link on your blog, on YouTube or social media platforms. Okay, and fourth step is people click. Okay, people have to click on your unique link. Okay, someone clicks your link. Okay, for example, a viewer click your link to check out the headphones. Okay, and last and most important step is you earn money. You earn money, like they buy your product from your unique link and then you earn commission like 2%, 5%, 10%. Okay, it depends upon your affiliate programs. Okay, if they buy within 24 hours, you earn up to 6% of the sale. Okay, so I think you understand this example. You join Amazon Associate and choose headphone, and then Amazon gives you a specific link and you have to post your link on your blog, your YouTube channel or other social media platforms. Okay, a viewer click on your link to check out. Okay, then if they buy within 24 hours, an example about Amazon Associates. Okay, so you can earn up to 6% commission. 6% commission for the sale of the sale. Okay, so this is a simple chart. I think you understand what is affiliate marketing. Next, I have some key things here. Key players here. First is role. Merchant. First role is of merchant. Okay. Merchant means the company selling the product like Amazon, Fabric. Okay. These are affiliate programs here. Okay. Next, affiliate. You are a affiliator. Okay. The person promoting the product like you. Okay, because you want to start affiliate marketing, so we can say you are a affiliator. Okay, then third role is about customer. The person who clicks on the link, the person who clicks the link and buys. Okay, that is called customer. And last, affiliate network. Okay, it's optional. Okay, so platform that connects merchant and affiliates like Carousel, ClickBank. Okay, so these four things are very important player in affiliate marketing. So you understand. Next, our most important part is here. It is affiliate programs. Okay, so I have 7 affiliate programs. You can easily join, you can easily get commission. It's a very simple combination if you are a beginner. Okay, so let's talk about them. So here first is Amazon Associates. Amazon affiliate program needs almost everything here like tech, books, home, fashion, etc. And you can easily get commission rate 1% to 10%, depends upon your product category. Okay, so if you choose a finance category, so you will get easily more commission, like more than 5% commission. Okay, but if you choose something like home or tech, books related, so I think you will get some less commission. Okay, so next, cookies duration here 24 hours. Payout method direct deposit, gift card or check. Why it's good for beginners? There are some reasons. First is easy to sign up. You can easy to sign up. Trusted brand here and millions of product to promote here. Okay, and great for bloggers and YouTubers. Now you understand. This is very famous affiliate program here, and you can easily sign up and you can easily start from here. So I think this is very simple thing here. Next, ClickBank. ClickBank also is a very big affiliate program here. So let's talk about it. Next, there is a very specific niche. It is digital products. Okay, if you want a product, digital products, digital services, so I think you should choose ClickBank affiliate program. For example, like courses, ebooks, softwares, etc. You can when you go affiliate ClickBank website, so you can easily check out all those things. Next, here commission rate is very higher, because 30% to 70% commission rate here, high compared to physical products. Okay, cookies duration 60 days. Payout method direct deposit, check or Payoneer. Okay, why it's good for beginners? There are some reasons. First is easy approval. Easily you will get easily approval. Okay, high commission. Next, many profitable products in popular niche like health, fitnesses, make money online. They are easily available. Okay, So I think this is very very famous, very very important, and very very valuable platform here. If you wanna start, okay, I think you should you must choose this platform. Okay. Next platform is Sierra Cell. Sierra Cell. Niche here, multiple niches here like fashion, tech, education services. Commission rate varies on merchant like 5 to 50%. Cookie duration here typically 30 to 70 days, and payout method direct deposit or check. Why it's good for beginners? Okay, so there are also reasons here like large variety of merchants, simple dashboard, great for bloggers and niche websites. Okay, if you interested, I think one time you have to go on this Sierra Cell website. So then you observe and then you select. It is your it's for you wrong or right. Okay, so then you select. Fourth is impact.com. Okay, it's a very famous affiliate program here because you will easily get multiple sites affiliate program, multiple product services here because it's a combination of affiliate marketing. Okay, you join this platform or you will get easily more of websites, more of companies affiliates easily. Okay, so here this is like big brands like Abram, Canva, Adidas. Okay, commission rate varies with demand. Cookies duration depends upon program, typically 30%. Payout method PayPal, direct deposit. Why it's good for beginners? Okay, so here professional and trusted platform, huge brand opportunities, easy to track performance. Okay, so I think it's a advanced level website, advanced level platform to start a affiliate program, affiliate marketing. Okay, so there are big brands. If you wanna promote big brands, if you have a big audience, okay, and if you have a trusted audience, they are trust on you. Okay, then you can easily get it and start. I think you will get more commission than other platforms from here. Okay, next platform is Rakuten Advertising. Okay, so it is also famous platform and this is their retail like Walmart, Macy's, Best Buys. Okay, next commission rate varies upon depends on services or retail products. Okay, cookies duration varies upon products or platforms. Okay, payout check, direct deposit. Buy it's beginners, good for beginners. Access to big companies, reliable support, good for content creators. Okay, so I think this is something bad platform here, but I can't say. So I think you can check out one time. Okay. Next, Fabra affiliates. Okay, this is here freelancing services available on favorite affiliates. Okay, if you want to start freelancing, okay, I think then you must join this platform. Okay, there are design related, writing related, tech related services you can provide. Commission rate up to $150 per first time buyer. Okay, cookies duration 30 to 60 days. Payout method PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer. Okay, buy it's good for beginners. There are reasons. One of the easiest to promote and great for YouTubers, bloggers, and freelancers. Okay, so there are services providing platform here. Okay, not products. If you want to start promoting services, then you should join this platform. Okay, next, System.io affiliate program. Okay, this is your online marketing or businesses tools. Commission rate up to 40%, which is recurring. Recurring means you know what? You know, recurring means multiple time you will get a commission. Okay, when your customer buy something or join something, okay, and whenever they they pay, so then you will get a commission multiple time. Okay, cookies duration, lifetime, PayPal payout method is PayPal. It's good for beginners. Why? Free to start, passive income potential, recurring commission here. Okay, and ideal for content creators in the business niche. So there are some unique thing here, and in all those all those affiliate programs, there are something unique thing. Okay, so you choose about your choice, about your interest. Okay, what do you want to start? Okay, then you select which platform is correct for you. Okay, so tips for beginners. First of all, you pick a niche if you are comfortable with. Okay, create content like blog, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you have, and if you have not, you can start. Build trust with your audience. It is most important thing here. You build a trust. Without trust, your audience never purchase something from your link. Okay, use affiliate links naturally. Add value first. Okay, you add value first, then they use your affiliate link naturally. Okay, so I think guys you understand affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing, and to get more commission, to get more audience, you should have a trust with your audience, and to get more commission you choose a best platform according to your interest, according to your niche. Okay, so because there all the platforms, there are something unique things, but unique thing compatible with you should be compatible according to your niche. Okay, so if you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I will give you reply definitely. So see you in the next video very soon.